Are you facing issues while using Chrome on your PC? Don't worry, we're here to help. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to get the assistance you need with Chrome in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Open Chrome. Step 2. At the top right corner of the browser, click on the menu icon. It's the 3 dots arranged vertically. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings near the bottom of the list. Step 4. In the Settings tab, scroll down and click on About Chrome on the left-hand side. Step 5. Now, on the About Chrome page, click on Get Help with Chrome. You'll be directed to a support page where you can find solutions to common issues, browse through helpful articles, and even contact Chrome support for further assistance. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily get the help you need with Chrome on your PC. Say goodbye to frustrating browser problems. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.